Well, in a bid to address the acute shortage of medical supplies in the face of the COVID-19 pandemic in the country, the Defense Industries Corporation of Nigeria, DICON, has produced a ventilator known as Dicovent and other personal protective equipment. Coordinator, Defense Media Operations, Major General John Enenche, announced this during the COVID-19 update press briefing in Abuja. Enenche says the newly designed low-cost mechanical ventilator is capable of delivering positive pressured ventilation using volume-controlled ventilation system. He adds that the ventilator has undergone thorough scrutiny and assessment by specialists from top-ranging hospitals and experts in the country.
First is the production of over 15 dozens of big SANs. Of course, you should be able to interpret that is a Defense Industries Corporation sanitizers. A high-quality hand sanitizer produced under very strict environmental conditions. This was requested by the Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General T.Y. Buratai, Nigerian Army Medal, for supply to troops of the Nigerian Army. This product, as we speak, is at the last stage of NAFDAC registration in line with extant due diligence provisions. DICON engineers, consultants and medical teams have successfully produced a digital mechanical ventilator known as Dicovent. The newly designed low-cost machine is a simple mechanical ventilator that can deliver positive pressured ventilation using a volume-controlled ventilation, VCV for short, system. The ventilator has undergone thorough scrutiny and assessment by specialists from top-ranging hospitals and experts in the country, including Sedacret Hospital, Abuja, 44 Nigerian Army Reference Hospital, Kaduna, amongst others.
We have challenges of procuring some of the parts locally, but we have overcome those challenges because we made adequate arrangement with our clients, both in Lagos and in Kaduna, to be able to supply us what we need to use for the production. So, but the good news there is that we have the capacity, we have the manpower, we have the zeal to assist our nation, because we cannot depend on most of these things coming from outside. We will have the abundant natural and human resources to assist the government. And these ones are of very high quality. And if you check the ones that they import from abroad, some of them goes as far as 20,000 or more. It's even in dollars, they start converting. Dollars is quite appreciated now. So actually, it's not a profit-oriented issue. Ours is just to give service to our nation and to assist the nation in this time of emergency.